What's up everybody, it's your boy Joshua and welcome back to Motion Media 7 where you can learn English for free. Today in this video, under your request, we are going to learn together the difference between many and much and where to use them. How many times I spent to create my videos, how many subscribers do I have? To answer all these questions and help you know how to use them, stay until the end of this video. Not only you will know how to use them, also you will have a bonus tip to simplify all of this. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and ask your friend to do the same. That's the only way or the best way that you can help or you can keep the channel alive for now. Without any further ado, let's get started. Many and much essentially means the same thing. Both refers to a large amount of something, but we do use them in different content or situation. Let's start by the word much. Much is an uncountable noun. Remember that it means a large amount of something. Example, how much fun were you yesterday after the party? I don't need much sugar in my coffee. Fun and sugar are uncountable noun. That means you can't calculate them. You cannot calculate the amount of fun you were yesterday, or in a case of sugar, you cannot count the amount of sugar that you have used for your coffee. So you use much, okay? How much coffee, how much fun you were yesterday. You also need to know that uncountable nouns are nouns that you don't need to put an S at the end. For instance, rice, hair, sugar, etc. because they are too small or too tiny, okay? So you cannot count them. On the other hand, many is for a countable noun. That means things you can count. Example, how many people were in your classroom, or how many people are in your classroom? How many friends do you have? How many subscribers I have on my channel? How many times do I have to share Motion Media 7 with my friends? The answer for that question would be as many times as you can, since the channel is free and it helps you in the process of your learning skills, especially for English. Okay? So let's continue. But as a recap today, let's say we use many for countable noun. That means you can count them, and we can use much for uncountable noun. That means things you cannot count, such as rice, hair, sugar, etc., because they are too small or too tiny. Well, that's all for the video today. It's kind of funny. It's easy to know that you can understand how to use those two words together today, much and many. Listen, you can use a lot of or lots of in place of much or many in any sentences. Example, I have many friends that I share Motion Media with, or I have lots of friends that I share Motion Media with. I don't need much sugar in my coffee, or I don't need lots of sugar in my coffee. Now that you know all of that, thank you for watching this video until the end, and as always, share it to all your friends and keep practicing with us. I'll see you in the next episode. Peace.